Hello ladies and welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and in today's video we are going to be reacting, when I say reacting I mean rating, the best of modified car sounds 2023 by a YouTube channel called 97Robin997. I've actually used this guy's videos in my background for quite some time now. He actually makes really good videos. But I want to make this very, very clear because there's a decent chance actually that like somebody that owns one of the cars in this video might watch this video. If I'm going to be brutally honest, you know, I'm going to say if I don't like the car, I'm going to say I don't like that car. I might even, you know, I might even make fun of it a little bit. Who knows? Who knows? I might even poke some fun at you. But the reason why I'm saying that is because it doesn't mean that I think your car's bad. But before we get into that song of the day, I know I've already wasted a minute and 40 seconds of your time, so I'm sorry about that. But song of the day is going to, hold on, let me find it again. I forgot what it was. What I Got by Sublime. Love is what I got. Like, banger, absolute banger. Dad song, sure, don't care. Call me Papa then, because I love this song. Without further ado, let's go right into the list. I have to line it up perfectly when I edit this video, so I'm gonna make a very loud now sound when I do it right now. Okay, we're here. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because it's on my TV, so you guys are probably gonna hear it. But anyway, R32 wide body. Personally, I would never wide body the R32. I think that's a crime, but it's okay looking, I guess. What is it, Mark 6? Yeah, Mark 6 Golf R. That's actually kind of clean. I kind of liked, oh, okay. The love sticker on the back, though, no. No, I hate that stuff, man. I'm sorry if you, okay, that's the ugliest Supra. Man, what is going on? So far, we're not off to the best start, I'm not gonna lie, but that is, that's a little wacky. That's cool as hell. I'm not a supercar guy, but good golly, that's a nice looking car. Marlboro liveries, like that's all. I would probably change the wheels if I had that car to like but then again, he probably like tracks it, so he wants like thicker wheels. All right, I like, is that a Mark II? I think it's a Mark II. I like Mark II Golfs, but those wheels are just wacky looking, dude. Might be a Mark III, I actually don't know. But E30s, any E30 in the world could, that's gorgeous. Like that is, I want that car. Okay, we're back. Wide body Volkswagen Polo. Nope, not for me again, man. Not for me again. I've seen this car actually in a couple of these videos. This like R33, but with an R34 front end. Yeah, that. I don't know if I like that. I don't think I do. Now that R34, it says Nismo, and I didn't even know they made Nismo R34 GTRs. I'm honestly surprised. What? Am I an idiot? Am I an idiot, or did he just like put that on there to make it look cool? I did not know they made them Nismos, but anyway, obviously R34s are cool. That's how you do a Supra, bro. Look at those thick old boys in the back. Look at those boys in the back are ready to play. Goodness gracious, that's a nice Supra. Mark 6, I like it, but I don't like the wheels. I would just do some nice silver or chrome wheels. Not that. That's just too much, man. It doesn't fit, like it does on like a Subaru, but that's about it. Mark 3. This is a Mark 2. Like, I don't know. I think it's a Mark 3. This looks like a Mark 3. I think the other one was Mark 3 too. I think I was wrong about that, but I like Mark 3s. They're nice. Not my personal favorite or anything like that, but they're nice. They're nice. It's an alright car. I have nothing really else to say about that one. S15, goodness gracious. I love S15s, but I actually really don't like this one, if I'm being honest. Yeah, I don't like that one. I don't think they look good with a duck bill. Yeah, you also like almost lost control of it like twice there. What in, that's a Citroen 2CV, right? That's what those are? That is wild looking. What the hell? What is the... That is crazy. What is that? I know it's a Citroen 2CV, I'm pretty sure. I think that's what they call them. But, ooh, that's actually a nice SUV. I usually don't like SUVs. Like, I don't think there's any point in like modifying an SUV. I think it kind of is weird, but that's actually kind of nice. Yeah, I kind of like that one. Now, obviously, since this is a car... Oh, look at the E24 in the back, though. I saw that E24. You can't sneak past me, but that's a nice Mark III, though. But yeah, since this is in Europe, there is no, like, American muscle cars, probably. Or at least very few of them. So sorry for any American muscle fans, but they're not going to be in this video. 1 Series BMW. It's okay, I guess. And it says 140, so it's a 140i. It's alright. I mean, sorry, I personally wouldn't even buy it in the first place, but it's okay. What is that? Audi S5? No, it's got 4 doors, so it's an S4. No, it is not. It is an S4. Yeah, RS4. Or is it just an S4? I don't know. Either way, I don't really like it though. Ooh, I do like that. I don't. Again, I usually don't like wide. That's way too. That wing is too high. Sorry for the phone, but that's gonna keep ringing. I don't like the large wing on the back though. That was a little bit too much. This gold color, no, man. No, it's a, like, yes, it's a C63 AMG, I get that, and that's, like, super sick, whatever. But I don't, like, gold, you gotta, like, reserve that for, like, the big boys, you know? Not a Mercedes. This is just a pink S13. I don't got anything to say about this. It's kind of cool, kind of not. I don't know. Yeah, it sounds cool. I'll try and, like, play. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. That is so cool, dude. Like, I don't care how much of a, like, I'm a big JDM fan. Don't get me wrong. Like, absolutely, JDM's my favorite car company, or car country out there, Japan. But that thing is sick. That's not. Yeah, I don't like that generation. Is that like the 8th generation Type R's? Is that what those are, or is that? I think it is. I think they're the European 8th gen Type R's, and I don't like them. I also don't like that. Not a lot of cars so far. There's not been that many, man. Like, there really hasn't been that many that I've really been like, wow, that's a nice car. I would love to have that. Like, I mean, like I would actually like to have that car, that thing right there. I mean, that's an Aventador, so obviously I'd like to have that too. But like, it's not so, like, when I say, like, you know, if it's cool or not, I more just mean, like, does it catch my, like, compared to the rest of these cars in the video, am I going to be like, wow? Not really. I mean, this is obviously sick. Anybody would freak out if they heard a freaking Aventador spitting flames in a tunnel, but like, it's, again, it's just like it's just an Aventador SVJ. It's not like anything that I'm gonna, like, go write home to about or anything like that. I'm not gonna, well, I'd probably take a picture of it, but it's also, he's taking a long time, buddy. Go. Jesus. A little Miata. I don't mind Miatas. I'm not a biggest fan of them. I think they're good cars for their price. I mean, they are getting high up there in price, but still, they are decent cars for their price. But that wing, nah, I don't like that wing. I also don't like the, like, weird mud flap, like, mud guards thing that he has in the back of it. Not good on a Miata. not my style. But it's okay. I don't mind that car that much. It's all right. Oh, hey, a Mustang. GT 550. So it's a GT. Is it a GT? So what, is it a GT, or is it a GT 500? Is it a play on S550? Like, I can't tell what he's trying to do here. That's actually pretty sick though for a Mustang. That's actually really cool. MR2 with some big old tires on the back of it. Okay, that's the skit. This guy has balls of freaking plutonium, dude, for driving that car that fast. Good on you, man. Good on you. The car itself, I don't think looks cool or anything. Okay, we're back. Another commercial again. Freaking so many of these. It's already gotten 2 of them so far. We're only 9 minutes into the video. But anyway, Huracan, no rear bumper, twin turbo. I mean, it's got to be if it has no rear bumper, but can't really tell. Yeah, it's sick. Obviously, Huracan with no rear bumper are sick, but the fact that he chose, like, bright green wheels, not that sick. RS6 Avant, that's sick. That's clean. That is cool. I like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. It's so aggressive. Like, RS6 Avants look like they're from the future. It's crazy. Really nice looking cars. What is he doing? Okay, I kind of like this. Yeah, I kind of like that. I mean, I think the fitment could be better, but it did say time attack on the front, and that thing did just, like, grip up and rip up when it drove away. So I think he's not really going for, like, the looks. He's more going for performance, and if that's the case, I like that. That's pretty cool. This is just an Audi TT RS. I'm going to be 100p with you guys. I've never been a big fan of those cars. The Audi TTs, I've never been a big fan of them. R33 GTR. It's okay. I do like that wing. I like that wing on the R33 GTR. I think it looks really cool. Ooh, Mark IV GTI. I like Mark IVs. Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. I like that one. He has a sticker on the back that says horny, but replaces the O with an X. That's pretty interesting. Now this, people are gonna get so mad at me, but I do not like this kind of stuff, man. Like, the crazy, like, this is awesome. Like, it's cool that he did it. Like, I know that, you know what I mean? Like, I know that that's impressive, and I have nothing but respect for him for making a car like that, but I personally don't like how they look. That's sick though. As RS4 B5, give me that car. Give me that car right now. Is he selling it? Because I want to buy it. M2 also actually pretty sick. That's actually kind of a clean M2. M5 E60s. I don't know how I feel about these cars. Like, one day, like, I'll wake up, and if I wake up and I have to take a poop, you know, then I don't like the E60s. If I wake up and I don't have to take a poop though, then I'm like, all right, E60s aren't bad. Like, they're kind of okay looking. I feel like they're, and I hate saying this because I always hate when I hear other people say it, but I feel like they're girly looking cars. That thing's cool. What is that? Audi, what is that? Like an Audi 100? No. 200? No. I don't know what that is, but it's kind of cool. I don't know what that is either, and I do not like that. It looks like a Crimson Chin mobile. Why is it diesel? I don't like it. I don't like that. This Mustang though, I mean, it's not much, like, some of these cars, there's not much to say, because, like, yeah, it's modified, but it's just a silver Mustang on some chrome wheel. That is cool. What is that? It says Plymouth. So I thought at first it was a Dodge Star. Is it a Roadrunner? I don't know what that is, but it's cool. That's cool, too. Liberty Walk 458. I hate the spoiler. Yeah, that duckbill on the Liberty Walk 458 still looks so goofy. It needs, like, an actual, like, put, like, an actual spoiler on it. That would be so much cooler. Like a big spoiler. Ooh. Little Mark IV Super action. That's a nice looking Mark IV, too. Ooh, yeah, I like that bad boy. Oh, Andy's doing a nice little burnout for us. He's giving us a little show. Thanks, partner. Appreciate it. Oh, look at the kids, man. See, like, that's awesome. Like, the kids are literally running out of the bushes. What were they doing back there? But still, like, look at that. Look at all the phones out and everything. That's adorable. This is just a regular base model 2 Series. I'm not... Oh, well, it's an M240i. So, I mean, I guess it's not base model, but still not that cool. Another M240i. I hate the body lines of the M240Is if it's not just, ooh, little Mark III Super High. Hi, girly. Oh, she's so cute. I love the Mark III Supers, man. Like, it's not like I'm not gonna, like, go buy one, you know? I don't look at them Facebook Marketplace for them, but they are nice. I don't like that wrap or paint job or whatever. What is going on there? That's a weird looking wrap, man. Oh my, look at that, dude. That is gorgeous. Like, Mark IV Super haters, good luck. Good luck keeping up the act right now, because this is a gorgeous car. That thing's sick, dude. Oh my god. That is literally, like, if I had a Mark IV Super, I would build it just like that. Like, this would be my inspiration. That's such a cool looking car. Holy moly, dude. That's also beautiful. Wow. Maybe I would change out the front bumper, though. It looks a little too long. Oh, and maybe the rear wing. Well, I don't know. I kind of like the rear wing. Either way, I like that a lot, though. It is pretty cool. But I don't know. I feel like there's a couple things I personally would have done different. Is that a Mark II? Is that just a Mark? No, that's not Mark 1. I don't know what generation that is, but it's okay, man. The camera's a little bit hilarious looking, though. EG Civic Coupe, or I forget what they call them. They're not EGs, but nope, not for me, man. That's cool, though. Yeah, that's actually really cool. I like those wings on the E36s, too. Those, like, I don't know what they're supposed to be called, but they're cool. LTW, is that what they are? Ooh, Veilside RX-7, and, like, a nicely done Veilside RX. Every time I see a Veilside RX-7, they always have the worst fitment ever made. That's actually pretty nice. I like that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Holy moly. Partner just brought out, he was just like, you know what, I'm gonna build the most beautiful cars. And that Evo too, goodness. Oh, and an M330. What is going on? That's like the cool guy squad right there. Those guys are going to, like, to, like, a freaking Playboy mansion after this, probably. I don't know what that is, but I do not like it. It says Honda on it, but I don't know what kind of Honda. Doesn't matter though. Again, I don't like it. That guy looks just like me. I can't, like, pause it because, like, I'm not, like live, like, I'm live reacting to it, but I'm gonna have to re-record it for the background footage later. But watch this guy. Watch the guy with the glasses. Watch, ready? Look at him. He looked just like me, dude. That was weird. Anyway, Mark V GTI, not good looking, especially not since the front fenders are so much wider than the rear ones. What is going on there? Tell me you guys got to go back and see that guy, though. He looked literally just like me. There's a guy with glasses on that looks exactly like my glasses, too. And he has, like, the same, like, that was wacky. It's European me. I have a doppelganger out there. Mark 7? Yeah, these are Mark 7. Mark 7 Golf R. Yeah, no. Alright, we'll do, like, 2 more cars. Thank God we did. Thank God we did. An Audi Sport Quattro. S1. E2. Give me it. R2D2. Give me it. You know what I'm talking about? It's gorgeous. That bus is about to block our view, though. E36. That's pretty nice, actually. That's a really nice E36. It is an E36 compact. Okay. That's probably the coolest E36 compact in the world. Like, no joke. That's probably the closest. Alright, it's another ad, so we're going to stop right there. Pause it while this guy's talking about how he cleans his pans with Cascade Platinum Plus. But, that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm probably not going to have any, like, facial pictures of myself on this video. So I'm sorry that you guys couldn't be reminded of how beautiful I am today. But This is a new style video. I don't think I'm going to do like a lot of these, probably just 1 or 2 of them. But if it does well, I mean, I'll do some more, obviously. But they're fun. They're fun to make, and they're quick and easy too. Like, I don't have to like stress about like making out a script or anything like that. So they're quick and easy to make. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to do one. I was watching some videos of it in the background and literally just talking to myself, being like, yeah, I don't like that. No, I do like that. And I was like, you know what? Maybe my YouTube guys would like to see that. So I'll make a video about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Of course. And make sure you look at that guy, because that guy looked just like me. He looked literally just like me. Like, I'm going to go back and watch it again now that I can. I don't have to like worry about if I can or can't pause it. I'm going to go back and watch it again so that we can actually see it together, like a couple of homies. And then I'm going to tell you, I'll have to include like a screenshot or something, because the clip that was playing in the background isn't that important either. It was just a Mark 6 or Mark 5 Volkswagen that didn't even look that good. So I'll probably just put like a picture of him over the screen, but it looked just like me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Das Vidania, and have a nice night.